What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's workout is going to be a upper body workout. It's going to be 45 minutes straight. I am going to tell you guys the proper names of some of the workouts. My trainer did tell me what most of them were called this time, and I'm recording this intro a day after this workout was filmed because I did this workout all on my phone. She did help me record everything. So yeah, if you guys want to work upper body with me, then just go ahead and keep on watching and work out with me. Alright, so starting off, I'm going to hop on the same bike that I always do. I either do this, the Stairmaster, or the treadmill. And I did this for 15 minutes and I rode about 3 miles. It was at 2.93, but once I finished the 15 miles, I had already done 3 miles. So the first workout we're going to do are tricep pull-downs, and I'm going to do 15 reps for 4 rounds.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
The second workout we're going to do are called seated rows, and you just basically sit down and you pull that little bar straight towards you right under your chest, and I'm going to do this also for 15 reps and 4 rounds. are called, or this is the third workout. It's a seated shoulder press and also doing 15 reps for 4 rounds. Let me know if I'm saying the 15 reps right or if reps is the correct word. Nobody has ever like told me like, hey, you're saying all this wrong. In fact, a lot of you guys like it that I put in my own, like, I don't know, I try to figure out what it's called, but I'm just trying my hardest. And this time my trainer Gabby did tell me what everything was called, so that's why I'm not talking as much, but basically she got really good angles of each workout. So let me know if you guys want more of that. I can find ways to set the camera differently because she was holding my phone. So I don't know if this is something that we could always do from now on, or if you guys just don't mind having the camera set still. So just let me know about that, please. Thank you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Yeah.
Let you down.
Let you down. Playing all my melodies.
Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
Take me to your soul.
So these workouts here, we're gonna call them cable crossovers, and we did 10 reps for 4 rounds. These were intense, you guys. Like the first 5 were easy peasy, but once you get to like 7, oh my gosh, my arms were like totally giving out on me. You guys will see here how hard I struggle. I don't know, I didn't even know like how much weight was on everything, except for one of the exercises. I used 12 pounds, but holy smokes, like these, you're gonna feel them and they feel great. I loved it.
Your tongue somewhere, don't know what to say. Stop and run around, oh you act like a kid. I am not your mama, just admit what you did. I got enough to do, then hang around and wait for you to grow up and be responsible. It's my heart, so I hold you accountable, accountable. So grow up. It's cheating season for God knows reason. Stop making up excuses when I simply don't care. Why don't you just move on? We ain't going nowhere. I got enough to do, then hang around and wait.
This next set here are called kneeling cable pull downs, and these are 15 reps for 4 rounds. These were, she had at first told me to do 10, but like I said a little while ago, I don't think the weight was like heavy enough. So she had me do 15 instead. So you guys will see here that after 10 reps, I kind of paused to tell her like it doesn't feel as intense. So she had me do 5 more. So I did a total of 15 for 4 different rounds. So these, like, I definitely feel sore today, and this workout was yesterday. But I mean, it was just, this whole workout was amazing. Like, and I love the fact that it's using all machines and just free weights. So I could always go back to this video whenever I want to do an upper body workout. The workouts are pretty easy, but they're efficient. Is that the word? I don't know what you would call it, but you definitely feel it. You'll feel sore for the next couple days, because I'm definitely feeling it now.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like
This next workout here, I think you would call it, it's like an alternating workout. So I'm going to do these. This is a laying down shoulder press variation. I'm going to do, I don't know if it's 15 or 10. I'm not sure. So you guys are just going to have to count for yourselves here. I'm so sorry. And then I'm going to do bicep curls. So I guess I will wait until I start the next round to tell you guys how many of each I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do 15 reps of the laying down shoulder press, 15 of those, and I'm using a 12-pound weight. And then the bicep curls are 10 reps. So I'm gonna do 15 of the ones where I'm laying down, and then 10 bicep curls. I think that's what they're called. 15 of these, and then 10 of the other ones for 4 rounds, and then that completes this workout. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys actually try these workouts. I know some of you guys do follow them at the gym, even at home, with things that you can find at your house. So I know that these are working for you guys. I love all the motivation that I'm giving you guys. Tomorrow I do weigh in. It is going to be Friday the 13th, tomorrow, or the day that you're watching this video. It's spooky season. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no She's